Salutations. My name is Kyle, and you're watching Tech Talk. On this week of Tech Talk, I am going to show you how to connect to the internet on your Windows 10 laptop computer. We will be following the steps on the right hand, the upper right hand of your screen, to solve the issues that we face. As you can see, we have no internet connection right now, as the Wi-Fi has an X. But we can easily fix this in 3 simple steps. The first step is to open LibreWriter, and we will enter some code. This code is an algorithm that will dynamically connect our node asynchronously to the communications device internet interface located on the universal serial bus of your internet service provider's modem or switch router. The first line of code that we have to put here is the include class. So what you're going to do is include. That is your line 1. Your next line will be the main function. Now, since we are actually configuring your dynamic internet protocol address, you will have to specify whether or not you are using dynamic internet protocol or static internet protocol. So the first thing you have to do is type in boolean q r y h k semicolon. Oh, don't forget the semicolon up here as well. Next line is our main algorithm. So you will type in main, and then you're gonna put void, because we don't want the internet to return errors. So after writing your braces, you're going to type http / google.com. Okay. After you do that, you will save this file. Here, the floppy disk. You will save this as script.vbs. Don't worry about the errors. They won't show up when you print. Okay. Now that you have that saved, you're gonna let some time pass for your computer to recognize the file. Okay, that was at least 30 seconds. Now what we're going to do is you have to measure the distance from your router to your laptop computer. For me, it's about 3 yards. So I open up the wireless interface and I tell the computer that the hotspot is about 3 yards. So how can you tell how many yards you are showing? Well, you can always have more because it will increase the sensitivity of the interface. It kind of works like your cellular telephone. So I will use your mouse wheel and you scroll up all the way. So 1, 2, 3. So after scrolling up all the way, as you can see, we have told the computer that the wireless hotspot is very far away. So it'll be ready to receive. And right here is our not our transmitter but our receiver. And this, you have to turn this one on. So I'm gonna put this to medium because I'm not actually that far away from my router. And then you click on a browser to check your internet connection. I prefer Firefox. Once your browser has started up, you will go back and remember the line of code that you wrote. The code that we need is the middle of the algorithm, if you remember. I will open it up for reference. The file, oh here it is. This open. Here, our script file. Okay. So we have to remember this middle algorithm. To highlight, go click once at the end of the line and then hold down your left mouse button and drag across your screen. Do not drag up or down. And then you will cut the middle algorithm and inject it into your browser interface. After injecting, as you can see, we have some error messages, but that's okay. This will help us improve our search experience with suggestions. As you can see, the error didn't do anything, and now we are safely on Google. Thank you for watching this week of Tech Talk. But wait, there's more. As you can tell, my computer runs very fast. The secret is every day when I turn it on, I download more RAM. To download more RAM, you will have to go to this website, downloadmoreram.com. Let me go to the home page. Let me go. Yeah, we'll have to search it in Google. Download more RAM. Oh, there it is. What a relief. Okay. Hit download, and I would start out with 4 gigabytes to see if your power supply can handle it. Mine is a 150 watt computer, so it can handle the 1.65 V. So hit the arrow, and this is back to the page that you saw before, and you're going to hit download. As you can see, as the numbers go up, my computer becomes faster, and you can occasionally see the 100 spikes. Now it is complete. Today I showed you how to connect to the internet and how to speed up your computer by optimizing your RAM. Please share this to your family and friends so that please leave likes and subscribe. Thank you. And see you on the next episode of Tech Talk with Kyle. I'm Kyle.